So right now we are going to add the flaxseed to my son's hair. Okay, he just picked it out to make it easier for me. So let's get this started because we have to go. Okay, so I just want to show you guys what it looks like. We have to make sure it's nice and drenched, lubricated. You know, we have to make sure it's nice and moist. Okay.
All right, put the snot in.
Okay, we're gonna just massage that bad boy in there. That is messy. Ooh. Whoa.
Damn.
Oh, you got boogers on you. Sorry. Oh, look at that. See? Automatically. Look at how we added the flaxseed. And look at that. Automatically, that just curls up the hair. That looks good.
Hey, we lit. Starting to pop. All he has to do is really like shake it and you will see how much it's like really defining his curls. You can see okay, this is how his hair turned out. Look at that. Look at the curls. They pop in. His hair is very moisturized. And this is a great way to grow the hair out. Because I could see how this thing is amazing. Guys, look at the curls. Look at that. Every time I make a video of the phone ring. That looks good. So this is it, guys. This looks really good. So guys, that's basically it. Please stay tuned to see how I do my youngest daughter's hair. Later.